2025, the game changed forever. What you're about to see isn't just a motorhome. This is a revolution on wheels. Imagine a machine so powerful, so intelligently engineered, and so insanely luxurious, it makes five-star resorts feel basic. This is the most powerful, insane motorhome the world has ever seen. It starts with presence, a silhouette like no other, oversized, wide-bodied, almost aircraft-like in stance. The paintwork is flawless, deep gloss ceramic white with hints of titanium, accents that glow under ambient lights. Every inch of its skin reflects power and prestige. From the front, the LED matrix lights stretch across like a futuristic visor, with DRLs running like the edges of a spaceship. The bumper alone is a sculpted marvel, bold, massive, with brushed steel finish and active aero elements. There's nothing soft here, just raw engineering dominance. Underneath this behemoth lies a twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain producing an eye-watering 200 horsepower. That's not a typo. It's the most torque-heavy, highway-conquering motorhome ever created. Acceleration? Unbelievable. 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds. For something this large, that borders on science fiction. And it's not just about speed. It comes with a custom all-wheel drive. Smart traction system that recalibrates grip every millisecond, adapting to weather, weight, and terrain in real time. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a floating staircase with golden-lit treads, leading into a living space that could compete, with penthouse apartments in Dubai. Italian, leather stretched over every surface, seamlessly integrated OLED wall panels, a fireplace with vapor flame technology, and a ceiling that mimics the night sky with real-time constellation mapping. The lounge transforms with a single tap, coffee table lowers, cinema screen drops, and the panoramic window tints automatically. Every room, from the kitchen to the private office, is controlled by a custom AI assistant named Vox, built exclusively for this model. Just say the word, and Vox adapts temperature, lighting, music, and even scent. Yes, it's aromatherapy integrated. Moving towards the master suite, you pass a crystal-accented corridor with full-length smart mirrors that double as fitness assistants and wardrobe planners. The bedroom, king-sized rotating bed, underlit with golden glow, with a 360-degree rotating platform that lets you wake up facing the sunrise, no matter where you're parked. The walls here aren't just walls, they're privacy-dimming glass panels that can switch between transparent, opaque, and ambient-lit art. And the bathroom? We're talking full marble interior, rainfall shower with 6 directional jets, a Japanese smart toilet with biometric health monitoring, and a vanity with automatic skincare dispensers calibrated to your skin condition. But it's not all glamour. The tech is next level. Solar panels fold out from the roof,